One of the most exciting 5-pack of this year for me has to be this Black Edition gift pack by Majorette. Really amazing. I like it, and it has been on my ISO list. ISO stands for in search of, and finally I have got it. Thank you, Hamleys. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the box. You get the Audi R8 Coupe, Nissan GTR Nismo GT3, Brabus B63S. We have Mercedes AMG GTR, and last but not the least, Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. So I don't want to waste any time. I hope you have seen the short video. You have gone through the box, and I will not show it again because I cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. And my lover is Diecast, this collection hobby. And I'm its lover as well. Stop saying stupid things, Sean. This is a YouTube channel. Okay, so this, wow, look at that. Some dust because it's been sitting in the store or in the warehouse somewhere. Yeah, look at the finish on these. Matte finish on these two and glossy on these three. Wow. Look at this. You have a white rubber or transparent rubber band that goes around the wheels, and it is attached to this one so you don't roll out. Now I have to cut, so this part of the video I will fast forward it for you guys so you don't have to watch me suffer this tedious process. So you have to be very careful when you're taking the rubber band off. The car might fall down, and if you don't have, see right here there's only so much gap that it falls. I know it will be fine, but if you're at your home and if you're at the table or somewhere on the cot or at some height, there are chances that this might fall down, so make sure you are aware of that. Now let's go back to this. So now, before I go into the details of this whole set and I show you the cars, you might be familiar with how Hot Wheels does this whole 5-pack, right? So you majorly get 4 good castings, 4 licensed castings and 1 fantasy casting, or you can get 3 licensed casting and 2 fantasy casting. Best case scenario is all 5 licensed castings. So what happens here in this case, all these are licensed, but not all of these have opening parts. Yes, you heard me right. So not all of these will have opening parts. For example, coming to the Audi, and not all will have suspension as well. So Majorette cars have suspension and does have opening parts. So now what happens here is, in this case we have this Audi R8, and it comes in this beautiful matte finish, very well detailed, looks very nice, acrylic headlamps, beautiful tires, good color scheme going on, painted tail lamps, Audi logo in the back and in the front. We have the V10 badging right here, rear view mirrors, but we don't have suspension. Okay, we have suspension for this one. This is the Nismo. We have the suspension for this one, but we don't have the suspension for this one, and neither do we have an opening part for this. So this, my friend, is your, what do you say, cost cutting right here. All right, so this was your Audi R8. Coming to the next one is your Nissan GT-R Nismo GT3. It has suspensions, beautiful livery, matte finish, black color paint. Look at the details on this one. You have rear view mirrors, you have the spoiler, beautiful, extremely beautiful rear details. Look at the tail lamp details, the Nismo badging, the GT-R badging, GT3R badging, the Nissan logo, and the Nismo badging as well, small and big, both of them. You have the exhaust details, you have the diffuser details a little bit. On the other side we have the Motul and RAVs. So you have wiper details, you have the Nismo badging in the front, acrylic headlamps, you have a GT-R badging and Nismo badging on the grille as well. So you have this red skirting that goes around all over and it looks beautiful. We have matte black interiors. This is a single seat version. Let's open the doors. Yeah, look at this. This is single seater and it is ready for racing. Look at the clicks, nice. Roll test of all these cars I will do at the end of the video, or after I just show all these cars to you. This is beautiful casting. I love this matte black finish on this one, really amazing. Next up we have, and it is the Mercedes AMG G63 Brabus, and look at the Brabus badging, beautiful bold Brabus badging, and we have the spare wheel with Brabus badging and the Brabus logo. We also have Brabus written right here, and we have, okay, there's some paint issues. I don't really care much, but yeah, that's 700 written right here. And you have a trailer attachment hook that has been given here. That's nice. Pretty stock livery. We have the Brabus logo on the front grille, acrylic headlamps, and we do have the suspensions. Also there is the opening part right here. Yeah, this only opens this much. Neat engine details, but the opening part is an opening part. It closes pretty well. You have the wiper details, you have the roof details with sunroof details, but you don't have the plastic insert here. Pretty nice casting. It also feels a bit heavy in the hand. Next up we have another Mercedes, and this one is Mercedes AMG GT-R. We have suspensions, rear view mirrors, beautiful gloss black, and look at the front details. You have the Mercedes logo on the hood and as well as on the grille. You have the acrylic headlamps as well. Coming to the back, really gorgeous tail lamp details. It is painted, but it is really gorgeous. You have the plastic spoiler, you have the AMG badging, the Mercedes logo, and either it says GT-R or it says 5.1 but yeah, it is really nice. You have nice wheels with chrome rims. This set is such a mafia looking set, to be honest. It gives me that Godfather vibes. Last we have the Hellcat. It doesn't have the name written on the base, but yeah, it is the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. We have the Hellcat logo right here. We have blue tinted glass, awesome details at the rear. We have the Dodge badging, we have the tail lamp painted, we have the fuel lid, door embossing, rear view mirrors, beautiful paint job, At the front we have the nice grille and blue inserts for the headlamps, acrylic headlamps. Let's open the doors. Okay, I have not opened the doors for this one, sorry. See, it opens very nicely and it closes nicely as well, and so does this. Let's find out. Yep. Wow, it's pretty nice. Nice wheels, complete blackout wheels, looks very nice. So these are the 5 cars that come in this 5-pack, or should I call it gift pack, because it is a gift pack, and I have gifted it to myself. No, I'm not crying, I'm happy. Okay, enough with the fun stuff. So yeah, this looks like the gang. So this is one of the most gangster set. I love it. Now let's do a roll test real quick. Let's start with the same order that we have gone through the cars. First up, I have the Audi R8. So Majorette never had any problems with rolling. It has pretty nice wheels. Next up, I have the Nissan Nismo GT3. This rolls pretty quick. Next up, we have the Brabus. So even this rolls very nicely and smoothly. Next, we have the AMG Mercedes GT. And last but not the least, we have the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. It is not the Hellcat, but there is the Hellcat logo here. This is the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, and wow, even this rolls really nice. So now, after the roll test, it is that time of the video where I shortlist these cars. I go from least favorite to the most favorite. See, I wouldn't start from 5 today because I don't think any of these cars belongs at number 5. So I will start at number 4, and that is the Audi R8. That's because it doesn't have any opening parts, but the paint job on this one is really beautiful. We have a nice amount of details as well. So this is the number 4. Coming to number 3 is this one. This is the Brabus B63S. Don't get me wrong, it is really a good car. It is amazing. It has beautiful wheels, nice built. We have a spare wheel at the back. We also have a tow hook, not to forget that. But the opening part here is a slight disappointment to me because it doesn't open fully, and I was hoping that it could have opened a bit more. It is nice, so I'll just put this down at 3. Now there is another contender for the 3rd place, and that is the Mercedes AMG GTR. Okay, it has nice wheels, it has plastic spoiler, good interior details, and both the doors opening. Now to the most interesting part of this video. So the second one that I'm going to choose is, if you know the right answer, comment down below in 3, 2, 1. So the second one is the Nismo. It has beautiful matte black finish, nice spoiler. It is a plastic spoiler. We have good amount of details, and this red skirting around this car looks very nice. The front details is good as well, and not to forget that this comes with brilliant interior detailings with just 1-seater arrangement, and it has the race car module inside it. can just see it here. Okay, the only reason that this is not first is because this is my absolute favorite car. Okay, and it's just that this is a Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, and I just happen to love this car a lot, and it has a shark fin antenna detail on the top of this. Arguably this could have been the first, and if you want me to include it at first, then I think both of these take away the whole show, and this can become the second, Brabus the third, and Audi R8 as the fourth one. So this was the whole video. This is a pretty interesting, pretty lovely set, although I have a pretty strong contender for this set. Let me know in the comments which one is that strong contender or competition from Majorette, and I will be unboxing that set soon. If you want to get this 5-pack, it is available at many sites online at MRP and some even below MRP, so do check it out. I got it from Hamleys, and you can check it out at Hamleys as well. So that's it from today's video. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, spend wisely, and I'll see you guys in the next one.